guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Let's get into some skincare. I feel like it's been a long time since I've done like a real skincare video. How's my skin doing? It's scarred. It's actually not doing bad at all. I'll be doing an updated skincare routine soon, but these scars have really been like, I was fading one here. When I tell you it looked like Ash Wednesday for months. But that's neither here nor there. We gotta, whatever. I'm gonna be trying this viral collagen mask. This is the Biodance Bio-Collagen Real Deep Mask. You're supposed to leave this on for at least 3 hours. Three hours. So we'll try the mask. We'll do some check-ins. We'll see how it goes. If you guys are ready to get into this 3 to 4 hour collagen mask, keep on watching. Now that we're just face, here's a way. As you guys can see, it's closed. I bought this, I think I ordered it from Amazon. I did order this mask off of Amazon. At the time, it was $19. It's now on sale for $14, but whatever. And it does come with 4. They have different masks, but this is the one that I saw. This is the one I want to try because it's supposed to completely absorb into your skin after 3 or 4 hours. Oh, okay. I was gonna say it's Korean skincare. You guys already know Korean skincare don't even play like that. Right. So they say to use it after completing your skincare routine. Then you remove the film, apply the mask. It says leave on until it becomes transparent. Then you peel it off. So my skincare was done, like full and complete skincare. Make sure there's no hair out, including sunscreen. So let's just try it on. Let's see. Let's get a time check. Right now it's 8:22. And here's the mask. I also ate breakfast already because I don't know if it stays like kind of, I don't know if it gets tight. I don't know anything about this mask really. I'm try it on. It says tips to use it as an overnight mask or leave it on for at least 3 hours for enhanced results. Again, 8:22 a.m. Not gonna use it as an overnight mask. Also, I don't like to sleep on my back, so that's not gonna work. While I'm not all over the bed when I sleep, I'm not sleeping on my back. No. So here we go. Make sure I get it in the camera. I put the camera up a little bit higher so you guys can, it feels very moisturized. Like it feels like those collagen masks that's like silicone. Okay, so we pull off the transparent film. Maybe you guys need to be a little bit further. Okay. I could just tell this is gonna be so hydrating. I don't like the way that it's folded up. You have to make sure so I guess this is the top. Okay, so it's a top and bottom, or mine is broken. Not easy to like maneuver, I guess. All right, I wish I was a serious person sometimes. And I'm trying to be as gentle as possible. That's an alarm. Right, I'm trying to be as gentle as possible so I don't tear it. I have experienced tearing masks like this in the past, but I want to get the placement right. Okay, that feels good. It feels nice, it feels cooling, it feels very nice on the skin. Oh, it feels so nice. I can tell my skin is going to be so hydrated. Everyone that I've seen use this mask, their skin looked so like they were glowing. Everyone I've seen use this was glowing. Okay. I think I did a good job. I feel like it is on. I don't know about my nose bridge area. Maybe it needs to be over. Okay. I think that's on pretty well for the first part. Let's do like the bottom half. I need to take out that mouth circle part. I don't know how I like it being 2 pieces. Okay, I'm just gonna try and line this up and then I'll come back because it's so much going on. I'm back. Here are my thoughts. Annoying to put on, and only because of like placement, and really my fault, and maybe I should have tried to look up instructions in English because it doesn't really give you much. It's in Korean. I was trying not to overlap the mask, but the best thing to do is to overlap them. Obviously, it's for the most coverage. You have to be very, very careful because it can tear. Like I tore this part, in which I said earlier, like these kind of silicone masks tear very easily. They're very delicate, so just be careful. But it's on. It feels pretty nice and cooling. Do I feel a little tingly? I don't know. I wonder if it'll like, as it absorbs and gets more transparent. I look crazy, guys. This is not like, don't cancel me. As it gets more transparent, if it'll also tighten up a little bit, because I do have some pockets and gaps here around my eye. I just don't know how far across, like, you know, you're supposed to like spread it or stretch it. So here's where we are. And look, it even looks like there's like a little tear there. That's a little annoying, but I'm going to leave it as is. I think this is the best coverage that I'm going to get. The time now is 8:33, 11 minutes with me talking and carrying on, but now officially 8:33. I'm going to start and we'll leave it on for 3 to 4 hours. I'll do some check-ins during the day, come back, and we'll do a nice little reveal. So where is my little tripod? Okay, I'm going to check in more of like a vlog style. It'll be similar to how I do my 13, get out of here, it's a fly. It'll be very similar to how I do my 13-hour wear test. This would just be for, I'm gonna say 4 hours. We're gonna do 4 hours and I'll check in periodically. I'll do the first check-in at 9:33 and we'll see where we are, where we're at, how I feel, how I like it. And this is why I ate first. And I'm gonna have to put something on my lips. They're already gonna be feeling dry, but it doesn't feel tight. I think we're good to go for now. I'll see you guys in 1 hour.
That is not correct.
Here's what happened. It is not 9. It is 11:17. Why? I went to go lie down because my head has been killing me. And I knocked out. Now I just slept kind of like this because I literally was just saying I can't sleep on my back. And this is where we're at. Almost 3 hours. And I think I'm supposed to let it completely get transparent. And now, of course, where they overlap is probably not going to happen. So I'm thinking maybe 4 hours is not enough. What do you guys think? We're still going. I'll be back at 12. For real this time, because I'm up. Does my head still hurt? Yes. Does it feel a little tighter? Yes, it does. But wherever it was not like flush to my skin, it's still not flush. You hear, like, do you hear my voice? Like, literally just got back up. So for real, I'll check back a little. Okay, would be helpful if I had my phone to tell you guys what time it is. So, all right, I just finished prepping for my dinner. I'm gonna steam. Get away from me. You know you're not allowed on my couch. You're embarrassing me. Oh my god. Okay. No. Barris thinks because I'm on my couch he should be allowed, and he's not. And so we fight about it. I know. Stop. Get off of my foot. Get off of my... Thank you. Okay. Barris is ruining my life. Get off of... No. Barris is in jail. And he deserves it. Could have all been so simple. So like I was saying, here we are at almost at hour 4. The forehead's almost completely done. I knew this side was gonna be a problem because it really shouldn't have been overlapped, but it just was not laying down properly. But I think, you know, as far as the coverage, we're doing really well. I'm thinking maybe hour 5. So at like 1:22 should be good, and I should be done cooking. I do have to study for my notary exam, so I'm gonna get into that. But so far, look how we're looking. It's looking... That's a box light. Soft box light. But it is getting tighter. Can you see? Sorry. But it's looking good. You can see how dark those marks are. I am also currently trying the Good Molecules dark, was it micro dart patches for dark marks. I'm trying that as well. I'm trying the Medicube kojic acid and turmeric toner pads. Like, I'm trying all the things to fade these damn scars, because literally, and on my chin too, like my skin is not even doing that bad. As far as texture goes, it feels so nice, and these scars are just like that's the best I could do. But yeah, here we at. Hopefully the lighting's okay, because we're just in my living room. Let me see this. Barris has to go to jail. He literally thinks, oh, is that too much? Is that better? What if I do that? It's not better. Okay. But Barris literally thinks if I'm on my couch, he should be on my couch. Why? I don't know. He's not allowed on my couch. So this is a fight that we always have. I lose a lot. Not as in he's allowed on the couch, but like nobody gets to go on the couch. So there's that. But 12:15, I'll be back at like 1:30. That should be the time to show you guys. But I think that's when I'm going to be taking it off. We'll do that one in the beauty room with the lights and all the things, and we'll do a big skin reveal taking it off. But it's not uncomfortable to wear. A lot easier to sleep in than I thought, which I wasn't even trying to sleep in it. My head was just killing me. Still kind of hurts, but yep, here's where we at. Here's where we are. We're back. This is the final countdown. It's 1:18. I had on like 1:28. I started like 8:22. Around 8:33 was on officially. So we're just gonna be here for now. Let's talk about some things, and then we'll take it off. We'll get a big, nice skin reveal. Things that you shouldn't do. Don't overlap it. I should have just brought it down some more and maybe like folded it over under the chin. It was just a little annoying to apply. I was really trying my hardest not to tear it. Again, this kind of mask can be very delicate, so I didn't want to pull it too much and place it. Basically, like, you gotta place it and leave it, smooth it out, and let it do what it do, which it did. It did not, like, while it does shrink down and kind of form to your face where you put it and place it, places like around the nose bridge, for me, it just did not like do anything. It still got clear as though it was being like something was being absorbed. I didn't fiddle with it too much. I wasn't touching my face a bunch. Over here probably was a little bad when I was like asleep. So that's something to just like go to sleep in it. Unless you sleep super still on your back. I don't know. Like, even like I'm a side sleeper. So I was trying my best. Really, my head was just killing me. So I wasn't even trying to sleep. But that's what happened. You basically can't do anything the whole day. You can't. I started super early, and look where we are. you kind of gotta stay. It doesn't say how often to use it either. It says for external use only, discontinue if irritation occurs. There was no irritation for me. I did feel like early on it was like very tingly, but it didn't feel like my skin was being irritated at all. As you can see, as it becomes more transparent, you can see your skin. No irritation. Then it says if irritation becomes severe, consult a doctor. Refrain from using on areas with scars, etc. Keep out of reach of children. Store out of direct sunlight. Avoid contact with eyes. What do you mean by that? I'm going to assume they mean like open wounds because I have scars. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? There's nothing I can do there. And right now it's 1:21. I think that's enough time. Let's take it off. Trying to get a nice spot. Okay, so it's not like a peel mask where it's like pulling at your skin. It just comes off nicely. And there we have it. So basically everywhere pretty much was absorbed, other than like the parts that overlapped. However, because there was overlap, there was no like spots that were missed. And let's see if I can separate them to see if the one that was underneath absorbed. So not too bad. And I think my skin looks good. I think it looks good. I think it looks like, look, it's glowing. It feels nice. It felt nice immediately as I put it on, so I really like that. But I feel like my skin looks really good. It feels really good. My lips, going through it. I'm looking for lip gloss right now. I don't have like, I only have this lip gloss with a little tint in it. This is Nikki. You know who it's by. Stop. I'm just put this on for the sake of my lips. And probably not a good idea. But the way they was feeling, it don't even matter. But that is it. The whole day. Jeez. What a ride. Did I get things done? I did. I slept more than I thought. But look, this is like, I would say this is like a Sunday thing. Get it done. I think maybe like once a week is good. This comes with 4 masks for $20 essentially. Not bad. I think it looks really cool. I think my skin looks really good. It's glowy, it's healthy, it feels hydrated. What do you guys think? How do we feel? Now that it's off, it's a little weird, but that is gonna be it. Just a quick skincare video, quick for you guys, all day for me. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It helps me out a lot. I have more stuff coming. I have more like lip combos that I want to show you guys using Blue Babe Cosmetics, my brand. You can always check out my store right here on YouTube. It is connected. Yes it is. And you can follow me on Instagram, my personal Instagram, on my brand Instagram. It's all there. You can find it everywhere. Yes, but that is it. I want to go make my dinner. I want to get myself together. I feel like I've not done much today, and now I just want to relax and eat. But if you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.